plane, you know.
I've actually gotten used to it selling a bunch of things.
So thank you very much.
Yeah,
An amazing experience, you know.
Yeah, it's really fun.
It's great.
Thank you.
Every time they have this show, it's always interesting, you know.
Yeah, we're very glad that we're here.
Thank you.
Fun. Yeah, maybe like.
Good morning and welcome to the Malta International Airshow 2023.
The Malta International Airshow. See you soon. It's quite close by. Okay, so I made it through. Here we have the Royal Air Force. Royal Air Force planes, the Red Arrows. They're going to do a flyby, if that's the word. That's going to be at 2 p.m. in Aura, so a different location. But I will try to get there also on time. This is the US Air Force. Over there we're seeing. Let's get closer. It's time to get close. Today it's a very hot day. Should have gotten my cap. I forgot it. Okay. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. So quite well organized. The stuff for entry and was okay. There was a shuttle coach to take you to this area from the other area. So that again is a nice touch. A very nice touch. They're doing here. Screening, I think. Right. Let's see what we can see here. The US Air Force plane is the only thing to see now. There is a queue, but there's nothing else to do or see, so let's see what happens here. Okay. Switch on again. You can get cell phone wallpaper also. You're interested? Now we got to look inside the plane. Okay.
It can be used as an emergency exit, but we usually use it as a group for the group to go up. So normally this door would be closed, and then there would be a ladder installed.
Смотри, прикольно.
Cockpit. Sit and they have some operation and then they jump from the plane, you know, with the parachute. Not an expert in doing it. Emergency exit, okay. The emergency exit. I can sit down here. People are sitting down on the plane. Lots of people are sitting down also. The merchandise, I can pay by card.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. No, it's okay. I'm seeing you're selling merchandise.
Not me, I'm buying the merchandise.
You're buying, okay.
I'm buying the merchandise.
Alright, sorry. I thought you were
No,
American and...
Not really.
Okay. Alright.
They ask me that all the blessed time. Where are you from? Who are you? What are you?
Okay, where are you from? Are you from Malta?
The what? Yeah, the what is very offensive, but what are you?
Oh, sorry.
Hold on.
Human being.
My younger daughter sits on me very comfortably. She goes, Papa, are you still human? Shut up. No, seriously, it's very uncomfortable. Cringe. She goes, you're sus, Papa. She uses this kind of language. She says, okay, you're slay, I say. Yeah, I'm using the same kind of language she uses on me. You know, it's quite nice. So you guys are right.
Yeah, there should be like a search function at the bottom. Yep, that's the people that we came out with. So the Air National Guard, the 238th, is the squadron that we can go out with.
Hi, can I ask you something for my video on YouTube?
What's the question?
The question is whether you can say something about your work, what you do, you know.
Well, I guess I'm a co-pilot, and this is a TC-135, so it's just a trainer jet for the pilots.
Okay.
So,
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
It's very nice, you know, to be here. You know, it's an interesting experience. You know,
yeah, it's
first
awesome.
time on,
Very happy
on
to
such
be
a plane. You know.
I've actually gotten used to
All
it,
right.
selling a bunch of things.
So thank you very much.
Yeah,
It's an amazing experience. You know.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Great.
Thank you.
Every time they have this show, it's always interesting. You know.
Yeah, we're
right.
very glad that we're here.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe like.
Okay, so I was told that the exit is from the back. So the exit is from the back, not where we came from. It's safer to go down from there.
Yes, thank you for coming out.
Well, let's now make all the way to the exit. Over there.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming. Hi, how are you? Do you want to be a pilot? There we go. Good answer. Gotta start when you're young. I think that's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Watch yourself. Yes. The selfie here?
Everyone is taking the selfie.
Here, Chris, why don't you?
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take
Here,
it.
I'll take the photo.
I'll take it for you. There we go. Look good. You ready? Alright.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good one. Hi. I like your Minnie Mouse.
I like the Minnie Mouse.
Like
Hold this.
yes. Should I click it or just film? Okay.
It's great to be here with you, you know, and
Yeah.
going around on this aircraft, you know, it's a unique experience. And everybody should have come first next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. Well, you're welcome.
Watch out. Watch.
Right, so thank you for watching. Now I'm going to go down. Okay. check the stairs. And that's all from this show. That's all from this show today, but I'll give you the flyby of the Meadows, hopefully, and that will be its own separate video. So bye from now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you're new, click the notification bell. You can press like also, please. That helps the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you